Have you ever tried a baked tortilla wrapped hot dog? Well, today I'm going to share with you how to make these easy hot dog tortilla taquitos, as they're called, because they're kind of like a Mexican hot dog, like you'd get Mexican style restaurant with like salsa, sour cream, all that goodness. So I'm going to take you in the kitchen today and show you how to make them. This particular demonstration is going to show you air fryer hot dog tortilla taquitos, but you can make them in the oven too. So all you need to do is you start with a flour tortilla that's soft and you add some cheddar cheese in the middle, and then you leave a little room on the outside so the cheese doesn't spill over. You don't want any cheese spillage. And then you put the hot dog in the edge, you roll it all up just like you would a rug if you were moving, and then you brush the outside with some olive oil and stick a little toothpick in it so it stays all together. So just repeat that for as many taquitos as you have. I'm able to fry about 3 air fryer hot dog tortillas at a time. You definitely want to bake them in the oven, which you use the same exact method, just the baking time is 15 minutes instead of 5 minutes. But if you're doing a large batch for a party or something like that, you want to make a big batch in the oven. So let me show you what you do next if you're going to air fry them. You want to make sure to preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees, and then these just bake for 5 minutes and then they come out nice and crispy. Then it's time to plate them. So make sure that you remove those toothpicks and prep your sour cream. So what I like to do is I put some sour cream in a plastic bag. Then I cut off the tip, and it's easy to squeeze the sour cream right on the taquitos, which I think is really nice if you're serving them for a game day, air fryer recipe or something. So just sprinkle on some fresh chopped cilantro, serve it with a side of salsa or guacamole, and enjoy your cheesy wrapped hot dog tortilla taquitos. Like I said, you can find both baked and air fryer directions at sipbytego.com. And if you're into the air fryer or just really like delicious food like me, I have another recipe that I think you're gonna love, and it's the perfect dessert for these air fryer hot dog tortillas. Let me show you how to make it. You have to check out my recipe for air fryer chocolate chip cookies that are so super soft. I love to make them using a chocolate bar because it just melts and makes them super gooey. You probably have most of the ingredients you need in your pantry to make these. They're really easy to throw together, and you have to bake them in small batches, whatever you can fit in your air fryer basket. I got 4 at a time in mine, which is perfect for dessert for one family. So anyways, just 6 or 7 minutes in the air fryer and these are brown to perfection. They're so soft and gooey and keep for 5 days. The recipe is at sipbytego.com. Well, you should have all the kitchen confidence you need to make these hot dog tortillas. So give this video a like or share it if you learned something new. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!